My old seeds all germinated. A few weeks ago, I planted seeds. I figured I would put several seeds into each section because I didn't think many would germinate. Boy, was I wrong. Out of these 6 sections, I have been able to grow 362 tomato plants. Can you believe that? I don't think I even had that many seeds. I suppose my new greenhouse within a greenhouse setup is working too well. I have a video on that coming up very soon. I can't wait to show you my mini greenhouse that lets me grow seedlings and keep them at an even temperature. I am going to separate these tomato plants today into separate containers, so each will have room to grow. It is a very delicate process, so you must have a steady hand. You don't want to disturb the roots too much. I take one plant and plant them. Now, the containers I am using is red solo cups. The red part doesn't matter, but solo cups are great for tomatoes because they are tall. Tomatoes like to be backfilled. Let me show you what I mean by this. As you can see here, I don't have too much soil in the cup. I'll go ahead and plant it with it just like this. I do this because once the tomato plant grows, I will backfill or put more soil around the stem. I do this because the stem will grow even more roots, making the plant a force to be reckoned with. It will be a very strong plant. I will probably backfill a total of 2 times, but by then, it will be ready to be put into the ground. And of course, make sure to water them well. Put them in a sunny south-facing window like this, or if you have a mini greenhouse within a greenhouse like I have, then you will be set. I didn't put them all in solo cups. I did put many in these containers so that I can sell them. I didn't plan on selling seedlings, but it looks like we will get a pretty good monetary return on the seeds I planted, but didn't think would germinate. Even my sweet potatoes are starting to sprout. Yippee! So I guess my mistake of planting too many seeds has paid off. Have you done this before? Have you planted so many seeds that you had lots of extras? Did you give them to family, sell them, or make extra room in the garden for them? Let me know in the comments below. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.